In today's video, we are going to go over how to download Python and how to get started with installing Python onto your Windows PC. So first, you see here I have a Google screen up, and if I just search for Python, you'll see here that the first link that pops up is the python.org site, which is the official Python website. If you click here, you'll be able to download the most recent version and any prior versions if that's what you want to download. I personally like to go for the most recent version as it has the known bugs fixed. And now the Python community is constantly updating Python programming language, so there are going to be new packages or new versions available, and you can upgrade that later on. But you'll see here that the most recent version is 3.10.7, and we can go here and just click the link that says download Python. Now you'll see in the bottom left hand corner, or sometimes in the top right hand corner, you'll see the download started, and it's about 27.6 megabytes. Pretty quick to download on high-speed internet. It's going to take a few seconds. Now after that's downloaded, we can click on it to open. Yep, Norton double checked everything. And here you can see that it already detected I have Python installed on my computer, so it's asking me if I want to upgrade now. You can do custom installation. I like to do that to make sure that we have the IDLE checked off. Pip install is also checked. And I like to put any of the documentation and Python test suite checked off to make sure that when I do the installation, all those parts of the program will also be installed. And then you can just go through and click through. Now, I'm not going to do that here because I already have Python installed and I'm working on a couple things that I don't want to upgrade just yet. But really, that's how easy it is to download and install Python. If you just follow the prompt on the screen, you'll be able to have Python installed. Now, I'm going to cancel out here because I do not want to upgrade right now. And yes, I'm sure. Another thing you can check out on the Python website is that they have a lot of documentation, talks of videos and visuals, just a lot of information on how to get started with Python. So this is really should be your first stop to be able to get started doing small programming tasks and projects to really familiarize yourself with the programming language. Now, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, hit that bell below, because in my next videos, I will be actually going in and starting to do some basic projects and programs to really show you and walk you through the process of creating a basic Python script. Everything from the basic hello world to a little bit more advanced and creating a to-do list that you can use to write down what you think things that you need to do, such as grocery lists or other programming projects that you want to get started. So hopefully you found this helpful. Again, please subscribe, hit that bell below to be notified on any future videos. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.